This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer and Joel Hobson. Handsome addition and renovations make this Highpoint Terrace traditional a perfect 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with new huge vaulted kitchen keeping room with fireplace. New principal bedroom with coffered ceiling and luxurious bath. New double garage, gated driveway, dual heat and air, covered back porch with ceiling fans overlooks big fenced yard. Gas cooking, large island with breakfast bar, separate ice maker, wine cooler, cubbies, laundry room. Backs directly up to the Greenline on Quiet Street. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer and Joel Hobson at 901-761-1622.